Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching Tech. So yesterday I uploaded a video regarding the new OxygenOS 12.1 Android 12 Open Beta 2 C04 for OnePlus Nord 2. That update was available only for the people who are already on OxygenOS 12 Open Beta 1. But on same day, OnePlus made available new update of 4.89 GB for the devices which are on stable OxygenOS 11.820. This is the huge blunder by OnePlus this time that will I discuss in the video. I didn't accept that OnePlus is making the huge complications in the OT updates. So watch the video till the end now. Without further ado, let's get started. So devices which are on the stable OxygenOS 11.820 received this new update which has the huge changelog regarding the system improvement and the features. Dark mode, new shelf, work-life balance, new gallery applications with the new features, new canvas AOD, and new gaming features like hyper boost end-to-end game frame rate stabilizations, blah blah and blah. This is the same whole changelog of OxygenOS 12 Open Beta 1. If you didn't see that video, check the right side card video, there I discuss these whole features. So lots of people misunderstood this is the stable OxygenOS 12 update, but when they downloaded and flashed this update and again checked the about phone version, their mind got hanged. This is the Open Beta 2 update they flash on their phones. This is not a stable OxygenOS 12. Actually, there are no any visible bugs found till now, but they released these open betas for the devices which are on stable OxygenOS 11.820 versions. I am seeing this first time that any OEM are so careless regarding releasing the updates. But this one is the small issue. Now I will tell you the issue that will hang your mind. OnePlus didn't provided any rollback package in the both the updates that were released by OnePlus yesterday. If someone want to go back to the stock OxygenOS 11, what they can do now? So I decided to flash the old rollback package given for the Open Beta 1. I placed it in the root of SD card and then flashed it while local install in OTA and phone booted to the recovery started to flash. But within the flashing it's rebooted back to the Open Beta 2. And I got the notification in the status bar saying update failed. Next I decided to flash the Open Beta 1 zip file that will flash over recovery to get the Open Beta 1 when they released that Open Beta 1 first time, but it's also got failed saying verification failed. Another big issues in these updates are you can't boot in a Fastboot via ADB or the hardware button combo. It will either boot in a recovery or says the verification issues. So how can someone go back to the stock OxygenOS 11 if they don't want these beta updates? So I request you all the peoples, if you really want the ColorOS based OxygenOS, then flash these updates, and the people who just think that they can roll back, they must not flash these updates. My humble request to the OnePlus is that immediately release the rollback packages for these devices, and from the next time keep the good developers community and release the update correctly. Don't do such childish activities. So this is all about the new stable OxygenOS 12 aka Open Beta 2. I am trying myself to get out of this situation. Soon I will give how to roll back video, so stay tuned. For now, if you like my work, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.